This is lesson 19 homework, side 2. Number 2, the total weight of a giraffe and her calf is 904 kilograms. How much does the calf weigh? Use a tape diagram to model your thinking. So I'm being told the total weight is 904 kilograms. If I model that as a tape diagram, the total weight would be placed at the bottom, 904 kilograms. If I look at the picture, I know the giraffe, the mother giraffe, weighs 829 kilograms. So I can model on my tape diagram that the mother giraffe weighs 829 kilograms. I don't know how much the calf weighs. To solve this problem, I'm going to subtract because I have the total and one part, but I am missing the other part. So I will subtract the total, 904, minus the part, 829. 4 minus 9 is my first step. 9 on the bottom is bigger, so I will need to regroup. I cannot regroup from the 0 in the tens place because there is nothing there to borrow from. So I will borrow from the 9, turn it into an 8. The 0 will first turn into a 10. Then I will borrow from the 10 to turn it into a 9. And the 4 will turn into 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And 8 minus 8 is 0. I do not need to put a 0 to hold the place. So I can say the calf weighs 75 kilograms. Number 3. The Erie Canal runs 584 kilometers from Albany to Buffalo. Salvador travels on the canal from Albany. He must travel 396 kilometers more before he reaches Buffalo. How many kilometers has he traveled so far? Don't be confused by this problem because it has the word more in it. It's asking me how much he has traveled so far. I know the whole length of the river is 584 kilometers, and so far, he still needs to go 396 more. So I'm going to model the total is 584 kilograms. He needs to still travel 396 kilograms. I want to know what he has traveled so far. If I look at this tape diagram, it looks the same as my tape diagram in number 2. In number 2, I decided to subtract. So in number 3, I am going to do the same. 584 minus 396. 6 is the larger number in the ones place, so I'm going to start by regrouping. 8 turns into a 7. 4 turns into 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. In my tens place, 9 is my bigger number, so I will need to regroup. 5 turns into a 4. 7 turns into 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. So, he has traveled 188 kilometers. Number 4. Mr. Nguyen fills 2 inflatable pools. The kiddie pool holds 185 liters of water. The larger pool holds 600 liters of water. How much more water does the larger pool hold than the kiddie pool? Here's some important information. How much more is asking me to compare the numbers 600 liters and 185 liters. When I compare, I am balancing the two numbers. So when I am comparing, I am going to subtract 600 liters minus 185 liters. I can also model that with a tape diagram. The large pool holds 600 liters. The kiddie pool holds 185 liters. I want to know the difference. When I look at my problem, it's similar to what we did on the front. 5 is bigger in the bottom, so I need to regroup. I cannot regroup from the tens place, so I will come to the hundreds place and turn the 5 into a 6 into a 5. 0 turns into a 10. 10 then we borrow from that turns into a 9. 0 in the ones place turns into a 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I have 415 liters. That means how much more water does the larger pool hold than the kiddie pool? The larger pool holds 415 liters more.